Hey guys, Mr. Krabs Gaming No Scope here, back at it again with another video. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Ivankov figure from One Piece. But before that, I'm gonna have a silence for my boy Charlie Kirk. So let's begin. In the eye of an angel, fly away. You can fly away. Anyway, let's start with the video. Fuck. Forgot to get my scissors. Fuck. Fuck it. We'll just open it raw. So here are all the characters that are in the thing. I don't really give a fuck about the box, to be honest. I'm probably just gonna rip it. Alright, let's go. So, we got the figurine, man. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So it comes with three little things. We got the base. You got the little stick. Then you see, you probably didn't notice, but the stick goes into it. So you're like, well, what the hell? And finally, we have Ivankov. Oh, fuck. Alright, Ivankov, do your iconic thing. Deathwing. Yeah, that was awesome. So now, this is the hard part. You have to, there's like a hole in his like ass. You have to like put it in. It's really annoying. Make sure. Yeah, right there. Ah, hold up. Shit. Alright, nice. There we go. And you'll be thinking, whoa, isn't this kind of woke? And but it's actually not, because it is. Anyway, this is gonna be a quick video. So anyway, see you guys later. Bye.